Snap like a pro, no skills required. The KODAK PIXPRO FZ55. Zoom, shoot, and stun in style. Ever tried capturing a once-in-a-lifetime moment, only to end up with a blurry disaster? Say goodbye to photo fails with the KODAK PIXPRO FZ55, the ultimate pocket-sized powerhouse designed for crystal-clear shots and one-touch 1080p Full HD videos. With a 16MP CMOS sensor and 5x optical zoom, this camera lets you snap stunning close-ups and breathtaking wide-angle shots, without fiddling with complicated settings. Whether you're vlogging, traveling, or just capturing everyday moments, this beginner-friendly digital camera is here to make you look like a pro, no experience needed. Just point, click, and flex those photography skills. Forget bulky cameras and confusing menus. The FZ55 is slim, sleek, and ridiculously easy to use. We're talking plug-and-play simplicity, with autofocus, smile, and blink detection ensuring you always get the perfect shot. The 28mm wide-angle lens means you can fit everything into the frame, whether it's group selfies, scenic landscapes, or epic party shots. And when a photo just won't cut it? Switch to video mode with a single button and start recording in stunning 1080p Full HD. No shaky hands, no awkward angles, just smooth, high-quality footage every time. Tired of running out of storage? Not today, my friend. The FZ55 supports SD cards up to 512 GB, so you can shoot all day without deleting a single memory. And don't even get me started on battery life. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery keeps you snapping for hours, meaning no more mid-shoot power failures. Unlike pricier cameras that nickel-and-dime you for every extra feature, this budget-friendly beast delivers premium performance without breaking the bank. Big camera quality, tiny camera price? Yes, please. Built to survive life's adventures, the FZ55 is compact, durable, and travel-ready. Unlike fragile DSLRs that need a suitcase just to carry them, this fits right in your pocket. Going hiking? Beach trip? Music festival? This camera goes wherever you go, without weighing you down. Plus, its tough exterior and intuitive design mean it can handle real life, even if you're a little clumsy. Whether you're a first-time photographer or a casual shooter, this is the no-fuss, high-quality camera you've been waiting for. So, is the KODAK PIXPRO FZ55 worth it? Absolutely. It's small but mighty, affordable but feature-packed, and simple but powerful. Whether you're capturing everyday moments, creating content, or just flexing on social media, this camera delivers pro-level results without the pro-level price tag. Say goodbye to grainy, low-quality shots and hello to stunning, high-definition memories. Ready to upgrade your photo game? Grab the FZ55 and start snapping like a boss.